Hey travel friends, today on Due to the Travel Bug, we are in the heart of French Canada, and we're hiking the frozen wilderness in a truly unique way. With pack goats. These amazing trekking companions are strong, intelligent, and loads of fun. Today we'll be exploring Jacques Cartier Valley, a majestic canyon located in Pont Rouge, Quebec Canada, just 45 minutes outside Quebec City. We meet our guide / goat whisperer, Francois, at the trailhead parking. We also get to meet our 3 pack goats and the other guests on the tour. Then we all gear up. So this was originally a snowshoeing hike through the woods, but there's not a lot of snow today, but lots of ice. So we got cleats for the bottoms of our boots and walking sticks with little spikes on the end to keep our balance, so hopefully we don't go sliding down a cliff. Now the concept of this tour is simple and a bit absurd. You hike through the wilderness with goats. They are your hiking companions in the truest sense, carrying our gear in their packs. These 3 adorable goats walked with us side by side almost the whole time, only occasionally stopping for a nibble or stopping just to give me a look like, "Really, lady? Keep moving." Now our guide Francois is a storyteller and a mountain man. He understands the rhythm of the forest and knows this canyon like the back of his hand. The hike is moderately challenging, but still family-friendly for kids old enough to listen. One misstep on a ledge of snow instead of rock, and a hiker could end up in the icy river. We use safety ropes, carried by our trusted steeds, to navigate under bridges and up steep icy paths. Now, Francois does his goat tours in all seasons, but there's something special about hiking in the winter. Beauty is not always warm and inviting. There's something peaceful about the stillness and only hearing the crunch of the snow under your boots, and the beauty of the frozen cascades of ice forming giant walls around you. Francois' goat tours even walk over the river once it freezes solid sometime in February. Francois makes sure to point out to the kids animal tracks and evidence of bear in the area. Now, every frozen step of this hike was totally worth it to get to our rustic waterside picnic. The kids relax and refresh before going off to play with the goats and in the snow. And the grown-ups start to warm up from the inside out with Francois' dad's secret whiskey recipe. Homemade maple whiskey.
Maple whiskey.
It's delicious, isn't it?
I'm not a whiskey drinker, and it's not bad. I like
It warms you up.
Yeah. Just goes to show, maple syrup fixes everything.
And we do not forget the goats. They also get to split a beer for a job well done. Our guide then turns into our chef as we thaw out by the fire, and he warms up a hearty stew. How's dinner?
Tasty and warm.
Very tasty. I don't think I've ever had like an outdoor meal in the snow before.
Hi.
Alec quickly becomes the goat's favorite guest because he loves sharing with them. Francois then whips up a warm maple version of tres leche cake. What do you think?
Good.
Is he a good cook?
Yeah.
As our fireside soiree comes to an end, we gear up to walk our second part of the loop. This is an uphill forest walk that's much quicker and not by rushing water, just in case the goats or guests overdid it with the drinks. The sun is starting to set, so we take the route at a goat's pace. And in the end, we say goodbye and thank our 4-legged friends for a wonderful hike. Francois, where can people find you? What's the name of your tour and your email?
My website for tours is goatadventures.ca. You can just Google like Go Tours and you'll find me somewhere.
Perfect.
Somewhere there.
We saw you on Viator, but that's great. They can go directly to you. I highly recommend. So much fun. Thank you.
Hi, thank you very much. It was great meeting you and
You
your
too.
family. Thank you very much.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.